Hi, I'm Kelsey Boss, Doctor of Physical Therapy and founder of Compleo, where our focus is taking care of the whole family. One of the things that people come to myself or our counselors about a lot is a family member just had a child or a friend had a child. How can I support them? So here are the top ways I would support a new mom who's just had her baby. One, don't assume anything. Don't assume just because you wanted visitors that they wanted visitors, or don't assume that because you wanted your house cleaned, they wanted their house cleaned. Ask. Never assume. Ask before coming over. Give them the option to say no. I think there's something so powerful about saying, I would love to come over and help in any way, but if you're not ready for that, let me know when. Give them the option to say yes or no. Sometimes moms can be really overwhelmed. So again, give them just 2 or 3 options. Instead of saying, hey, what do you want for dinner tonight? I want to bring you food. Say, I'm in the area. These are the 3 things I could cook for you. Which do you want? Or I'm in the area. These are the 3 restaurants I could pick up for you. Does any of that sound good? And if it doesn't, suggest something else. So giving them just a few options to choose from can be really helpful when they're in that sleep deprived state and maybe they don't even know what they want. Offer tangible help. So I know we all want to hold and cuddle the new babies, and some moms want you to hold and cuddle the new baby so they can take a nap, and some moms are not ready to pass off their baby. So come in and say, which would be more helpful for you? Would you like me to hold the baby so you can rest, or would you like me to help clean the kitchen? So that goes back to tangible help, not assuming, and giving options so that you're not just overwhelming the mom with an open-ended question. Those are the ways that I have found that moms feel most supported in those immediate weeks following recovery.